What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to set up Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's just a simple click of a button, but it helps me out a lot, so I really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. Setting up your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is not the hardest thing in the world. However, some people are more visual learners than others, so I decided to make a quick video for you guys in case you'd like to see the whole process before you buy your tablet, or to help you out along the way when you're going to be setting up your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So guys, please smash that like button if you think this video will be helpful to you because you are a visual learner yourself, and comment down below if you're excited to see a full setup process of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Once you take your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite out of the box and power it on, Galaxy S6 Lite will pretty much take you through the whole setup by itself and will help you along the way by giving you on-screen directions. When Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is fully powered on, you will see a "Let's Go" phrase on the screen with the language in which you like to set up S6 Lite, which could be changed by the way if needed. Below the "Let's Go" phrase and language, you will see a blue arrow button. Once you click the blue button, S6 Lite will take you to your next step, which is just some information that you should check out, like terms and conditions, privacy policy, sending of diagnostic data and information linking. I did not go through the information in video in depth since this video is for demonstrational purposes only, but I strongly encourage you to review all of the information so you understand what are you actually agreeing to. Once you review all of the information, you can then select "I have read and agreed to all of the above" and click the next button, which will take you to the next step of Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite setup. In the next step, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will ask you to choose your Wi-Fi network, because once you are connected to your Wi-Fi, setting up Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite becomes even easier, and some part of the setup is done automatically by S6 Lite itself, like your time and date. Once you choose your network and click next, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will automatically check for updates, which is very convenient because you don't have to worry whether or not your tablet is up to date once you set it up. After that, your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will ask you to sign in to your Google account. Do not be afraid to provide your email address or sign in to your Google account. This is simply done so you can stay connected, access your email, and access the Google Play Store. Once you sign in, you will be prompted with Google Terms of Service, which once again, I will not be fully going through because this video is for quick demonstrational purposes and not an educational video. But I encourage you guys to review Google Terms of Service so you understand what you're agreeing to. Guys, smash that like button if so far the setup has been a piece of cake, and comment down below what you think about it. When you press agree, tablet will get all of your account info and take you to the next step, which is copy your apps and data. This could be useful in case you wish to transfer your apps and data from another device which has been linked to the same email. When you click the next button, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will take you to the next step and demonstrate on how you can transfer the data from your old device. But since I don't need to transfer anything from any of my old devices, I'm just going to click don't copy. Once you finalize copying your apps and data, or press don't copy just like in my case, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will take you to the next screen and let you know that your account has been added and your email, contacts, and calendar events will be synced to the tablet. The next step will be Google Assistant. And I'm not going to jump in and explain what Google Assistant is because otherwise this video will be 1 year long. But your next step should be clicking on the More button, and that's where you will be presented with an option to turn it on or say no thanks. It depends on the personal preference. After you're done with Google Assistant, Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will then proceed to Google Services part. And this is where you can select whether or not you want to back up to Google Drive, let Google collect your location data, allow scanning for Wi-Fi networks, send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates and apps. Once you click on Accept, the next step is to select how you want to protect your S6 Lite from others. And the S6 Lite will give you options like face recognition, pattern, PIN, or password. Guys, smash that like button if you think the setup has been very smooth thanks to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite so far, and comment down below if you think Samsung couldn't have done a better job. When you're done with your protection measures, Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite will ask you to review additional apps. Some people don't care about the apps that come pre-installed, and some really hate that their tablets are being stuffed with a bunch of apps that they barely use. So this is a great part of your S6 Lite setup where you can choose not to install any apps to prevent from wasting your memory, or you can just select a few that you will use the most in your opinion. And the last and final step of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite setup will be signing into your Samsung account. Some of you might ask, why do I need Samsung account if I already have Google account and Google Play Store? And it's up to you whether or not you want to set up Samsung account, but in my opinion, if you don't set up Samsung account, you will be missing out on the full potential of your Samsung devices. Here are some pros that make it worth registering for Samsung account in my opinion. 1. You will automatically register your warranty with Samsung, and you can access your Samsung account and check on your warranty status and get product support from the Samsung Members app. 2. You will also be able to use Samsung's ecosystem devices such as Samsung smartwatches, Samsung smart home devices, and control them remotely from the phone or tablet, and use the Samsung Health app, which saves your health data over the cloud. Number 3 is you can log into your Samsung account on Samsung's website and track your phone or tablet if it goes missing using GPS. And also factory reset your phone or tablet remotely, all from the web browser. So basically, Samsung account is like an iCloud account for Apple. Guys, smash that like button if you think it's worth registering Samsung account, and comment down below if you think otherwise, and let us know why. Once you're done signing up for Samsung account or decide to continue with Google account like in my case, S6 Lite will ask you for permission to access your Google account. Before pressing allow, I would suggest that you review terms of service and privacy policy, and once you're done, you can press allow. Then you will see a welcome to your Samsung account page where you should review all the details prior to pressing agree. Once you're done, press agree, and that's where Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite asks you to verify your number. Once you verify your number, you will get a prompt message that your account has been created and connected. That's when Samsung Tab S6 Lite will let you know that your setup is all done. Once you click finish, that's when you will be finished with your setup, and Samsung Tab S6 Lite will take you to your home screen and you'll be able to use your S6 Lite to its full potential. Guys, please smash that like button if this video has been helpful to you, and comment down below if you think I should have added something or taken something away to make this video as good as it can be. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to set up Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. Please subscribe because it shows that my hard work of making these videos for you guys has been recognized, and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content.